Hi, my name is Dr. Christopher Larson, and I'm going to try and demystify the whole implant situation for you. See if we can go ahead and get you some good, clean information that gives you an idea of what really is required once you place an implant on how to care for the implant. You need to make sure that the housing around the implant or the steel part around the implant that protrudes out of the gum tissue is very well cared for. Peri-implantitis is a disease that will actually cause the bone to dissolve around the implant, and we want to make sure that that doesn't happen. You've placed a huge investment in getting the implants. We want to make sure that you're able to clean them properly. A water pick is a great idea. An electronic toothbrush is a great idea. Making sure you gently massage around the tissue to the implant housing is also very beneficial, and coming in regularly for cleanings is very critical when you actually have the investment of placing implants in your arches. So if you want to learn more about how to clean implants or how to care for implants, please feel free to give us a call. You can call me directly. My phone number is 479-573-6884. I'll be happy to talk to you about how to care for your implants.